Hello students, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss the program to check a number is a twisted prime number or not. So what is twisted prime number and how to solve this program that I'm going to discuss in this video. So let's see, without wasting your and my time, here is the program. Program is what? Write a program to accept a number and check whether that number is a twisted prime number or not. Twisted prime means what? If the number and its reverse both are prime, then that is called twisted prime number. Means, for example, 13 I have written here, you can see 13 is a prime number and its reverse is what? 31. That is also a prime number. So number and the reverse of both that number both are prime, then it is called twisted prime number. Here 13 is a twisted prime number because 13 and its reverse 31 both are prime. So 13 is a twisted prime number. Okay. Now listen, how to check for a prime number, how to find the reverse. This everything I have already taught through my videos and I have already uploaded on my channel. I will try to put the link of that two programs in my description. So please watch that video first, then this video will be clear. Okay, because here I will not discuss how to check for the prime and how to check how to find the reverse. That I've already discussed. I will try to put the link of that. Okay. So first watch that video. If you do not know how to check for a prime number and how to find the reverse of a number, so then first check that video, then come back to this video. Okay. So let's see. Now here, after taking input, see, consider we are taking 13 as input. You know, the common things, you know. I hope you are getting that point. Consider n we have taken as 13. The value of n we have taken what? 13. Then what will we do? We will find the reverse of 13. Okay. So before finding the reverse of 13, I am making one copy of n. I am storing the value of n to num. Okay. So num will be what? 13. Okay. Now this loop is here to find the reverse of num. Okay. This loop is here to find the reverse of num. Okay. So this loop will find the reverse of the num. So when control will go outside the loop, the value of num will become 0. Then when the value of num will become 0, this condition will be false. And the value of read will be what? 31. This loop will find the reverse of the num. The num was 13. So the reverse of that will be 31. So by this loop, we are getting the reverse of the number. Now we have number in n variable, a reverse of that in read variable. These two things we have. Now we'll check whether n is a prime number or not, and its reverse is also prime number or not. If both are prime number, then we'll display the message. It's a twisted prime number. So how to check for the prime number that I have already discussed in that video. Here I'm going to tell you a few things. That to check for a number, prime number, we count the number of factors. We count the number of factors. As you know, a prime number contains two factors. A prime number has two factors. Okay, one and the number itself. So in here, to check a number is prime number or not, what we do, we count the number of factors of that number. If the number of factors is 2, then the number is prime, otherwise not prime. So here we are going to count the factors. To count something, we require a variable that we start with 0. So here I am taking f1 for the number and f2 equal to 0 for the reverse of the number. These are the factors. Through this, we are going to count the factors. Okay. Now listen. See, in this loop, we are counting the number of factors of n. And in this loop, we are counting the number of factors of read. Okay. Number is prime number if the number of factor is what? 2. So here, if this loop is counting the number of factors of n, this loop is counting the number of factors of read. Please watch that video in which I have discussed how to check for a prime number. Please watch that video, then the things will be clear, more clear. Okay. If you know the things very well, then okay. I think you are understanding it. Okay. Now listen, we have counted the number of factors for the n, for the number n, and that we have stored into f1. Like that, we have counted the number of factors of variable read, and that we have stored into f2. If f1 and f2 both are equal to 2, if f1 equal to 2, it means the number of factors of n is what? 2. If f2 equal to 2, it means the number of factors of reverse is also equal to 2. Means both are, if both conditions are true, it means both are prime number. Means number, if the number is prime number, then this condition is true. If the reverse is also prime number, this condition will also be true. If both are true, it means the number is twisted prime number. So we'll have the message twisted prime number. Otherwise, you'll have the message not a twisted prime number. Okay. So in this video, this much only, and please watch that video. How to check for a prime number and how to check for the how to find the reverse of the number. Please watch that video. Then this video will be more clear. So for this video, this much only. And if you have any doubt, as usual, you can ask through the comment section. I will try to reply. देर सवेर reply करते हैं. ठीक है. So thank you for watching this video. Bye to all.